It's us. So today's video, as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be doing the fuel pump. Hold on, he calling me. Hold on. Alright, so we're doing the fuel pump. So hey, I already took the seat out. He over there eating. I'm gonna undo this real quick and yeah. Get back to y'all in a minute.
I forgot they make this so retarded.
Oh, that angle. Well, that's why I use that with my little tools thing right there.
You got a ratchet in there?
Well, they got that little thing you can probably get in there. I don't know. It might not. I don't know. But I have a ratchet right here. I don't know if this is where I bought this yesterday too. What about? Then we got another two boxes. Damn.
Oh, what? Whoa! Whoa! Wait 1 second.
Oh shit.
There's a bit of gasoline up there, but see? That's your pump basket. There's your OEM pump right in there.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
And you see these two wires?
Yeah.
The green is your positive, black is your negative. Okay. Now I got to take this whole assembly basically apart.
Yep.
But we don't have nowhere to pour gas, do we?
Pour the gas?
Yeah.
Like up in here?
Unless, hang on. I got this.
Or we got dang, I'm trying to think. Hold on.
If I can have you hold.
All right, what you need? Hold this.
Yeah, hold that. Off. Okay, there we go.
Cable Beats.
Thick blue wire goes to the positive side. Boom. and it's still in my fucking car.
It is?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have to go to the store again and get this hose thing because we didn't use the, I don't know what the other one is. It's a stock one. And I got some clamps for my intakes too. Simple.
Cable B.
I shouldn't wanna. Oh, please tell me you gotta chop that hose more.
I don't think it was in the hose.
Cable B.
Alright, so we just finished the fuel pump and we did this too. So yeah, everything's done. Tough. And now we're just cleaning up this shit around here and yeah. Catch y'all in a minute. So we about to try to
Heard the fuel pump kick on. You gotta just prime it. Basically turn it on.
just keep doing that.
Yeah, you gotta get it. So the fuel pump turns.
Man, I wasn't even recording. Dang.
You're good. You ready for a tune? Ready?
So normally certain cars wouldn't like start up sometimes, or like.
It just depends. I mean, mine had a lot more than this. I had ported upper and lower manifold,
Yeah.
gas throttle bodies. That really fucked it up too because the throttle bodies.
Dang, so like the injector must be good too then. What I did.
Yeah.
To make it even
Yeah.
start up too.
They're fine. Everything's running good.
Dang.
Any cars are easy.
Damn, I forgot an injector. Dang, that's crazy. What if I drive like this? What'd happen?
No, you don't even have a base map yet. You need a base map before you drive. You go drive, you're gonna fuck shit up. Is it? Close the hood on it a bit. Do you want to unplug your battery again?
Yeah, you can.
Hey, so when you go to start it up, if he has you start it up without sending you a base map first,
All right.
so probably send you a base map first, but don't rev it.
Mm-hmm.
Just let it idle, but prime it.
Do that same prime.
Obviously, do the fuel pump right, because otherwise it won't start.
All right. Yo, so I'm laying down right now, editing this video. So this a few days later. So I just thought I should close this video out. So if y'all made it this far, I know I didn't talk a lot in this video. We were basically just getting work done where Gavin was just showing me how to do the fuel pump. I'm just watching. So next time, if I need to do something like this, I know how to do it. And I watch videos, but like in person, when you see it eye to eye, you'll know how to do it better than just on the video. But yeah, I got an idea how to do it next time if I need to do somebody's or help somebody. So yeah, shout out to Gavin. Somebody always calling me, bro. Hold on. Alright, so I'm back. That's my girlfriend calling. Asking if I wanted some food. I don't want no food. I'm good. But anyway, yeah. Shout out to Gavin, man. Appreciate you. Once again, if you watched this far, if you even watched this, so pretty sure you probably watched it. But next is Tune, man. We almost there. Almost there. Trying to stack some more funds. Take one step at a time, and hey, we're gonna get there. Put God first. He gonna help you out in the long run. So like, comment, share, and subscribe if y'all new here. Run this video up to 500 views. That's all I want. Give me to like 30 likes and like 30 comments. Let's go. Dream 3 TV, man. We out of here. Once again. Peace.
Okay. It's us.